Hi and welcome back to Learn Python by Doing number 27. So today we're going to learn about a very simple but extremely useful topic, which is custom exceptions. And well, you can define your own custom exceptions in Python. You just need to create a class that inherits from the exception class, and this class needs to do nothing at all. And well, the name of the class is going to be the name of your custom exception, okay? So, to demonstrate this, we're going to create a simple game where we are going to guess a random number that we generate first. So first, let's generate that random number. We're going to import random, and we're going to call this random number the correct number. So we're going to call this method randint. So this is going to be a number between 1 and 10, okay? Now, suppose that we enter a number and that number is less than the correct number. Then we're going to raise our own custom exception that is going to say that the number is too small. And if we enter a number that is greater than the correct number, then we're going to raise an exception, number too big. Okay, so let's do this. Let's create the class number too small. And this is going to inherit from the exception class, and this class needs to do nothing at all, so just pass, and number too big, it's going to inherit from the exception class, and again it's not going to do anything, so just pass. Now we're going to create an infinite while loop, and we are going to prompt the user to enter some number. So for example, enter your number, and this is going to be transformed or cast into an integer. Okay, so we're going to check if n is less than the correct number, then we're going to raise this number to a small with a custom error. So first, let's check how these custom exceptions work. So we can simply do something like this, number too small, and as you see, now it's throwing this exception, and you can pass a message to this. So the number you entered is too small, and now that custom message appears here. So we're going to copy this and delete the cell and paste it here. Else if n is greater than the correct number, then we're going to raise a number too big exception, saying that the number is too big. And else, this is the case where we guess the number correctly, then we're going to print you guessed the number, and we're going to break from this while loop. Okay, so we have to catch 3 exceptions here. The first one is the number too small, and we can catch it as e. So this is something people do, and e is simply the message, so this thing here. And we can do the same with number too big. We are going to catch it as e and print that message. To be more specific, we're going to say e means error. Okay, and the last exception we have to catch is when we try to enter a string that is not a number. So for example, if I do something like this, input, then I enter like hello, and then I try to do int s, then it's going to raise this value error because I'm trying to convert this to a number. So this is going to also be catched. So the value error is going to be catched as error, and I'm going to print error. Well, I'm not going to print this error here because it's not that clear. So simply I'm just going to say you did not enter a number. Okay, so that's all. And now let's play our game. So except number too small. Okay, so I forgot to put the try here, and this needs to be indented. Okay, enter your number. Well, I'm going to put 4. It says that the number you enter is too small, so I'm going to put 5. It's still too small. 6, too small. 7, 8, 9. So the random integer was 9, and then it says you guess the number. So this is how you define your own custom exceptions. I hope you understood the importance of it, and see you in the next video.